Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And of course, I am back to get again to teach you another line dance. But before I do, I want to say how much I appreciate y'all guys for leaving a comment. I appreciate it so much because in your comments, you let me know that I'm on the right track. So thank you for taking the time to leaving a comment and let me know, hey, I'm going to teach this in my class. Thank you for teaching this classic or whatever your comment is. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you like this channel and you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in getting up and moving your body, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the instructional, and if you're interested in dancing along to this dance with the music, I'll pin it at the end of this video. Just click on it, we can dance together. So this next line dance is actually the dance that I taught at Cali Jam this year. It's called Heaven Sent from Nola. And I'm giving you step-by-step instructions. So here we go. So this is going to be our wall right here. But just this part here, I want to show you here. So instructors, this is a perfect dance for new people. It's a nice cool down dance. And you know that travel step, that weave step, they can easily pick this dance up actually without you teaching it to them because the music is nice and slow and they can definitely pick up that step. Okay, so the weight is going to be on your right and we're going to weave a travel to the right via left leg. So we're going to cross over. 1, 2, back 3, step 4, cross 5, 6 with your triple, 7 and 8, which is left, right, left. We're going to do the same thing going into this direction. So when you go over to your left, moving to your left, you cross over with your right. 1, 2, back 3, step 4, cross 5, 6, triple, 7 and 8, which is right, left, right. Again, so the same thing we're doing. Moving to the right, we do moving to the left. But we use the left leg going to the right and the right leg moving to the left. 5, 6, 7, and forward, side, behind, side, forward, side, triple, left, right, left. Forward, side, behind, side, forward, side, triple, right, left, right. Okay? So let's do that again with the count, and then we're going to move it to our wall so we can move on to the next part, which is the half turn. So that's why I want you to see the footwork on this wall. And if I do a half turn, you're going to be looking back at the camera. So we'll move into this wall here. So going back to the top, a travel or weave. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The last step is going to be on your right, okay? So let's move it here. Stand on this side of the room, looking in this direction. So our last step is on the right. We're going to shuffle up on the left and the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Rock up, recover. So rock up on that left and recover on the right. Then we're going to do a lock step on the left and the right. Come back, left, right, left, right. So actually, what you did going up, shuffle up, you do coming back. You can do a lock step or just shuffle back, okay? It starts on the left foot. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, right, rock up, recover, move back, left, right, right. Okay? Now it's time to turn. So we're going to rock back and then recover, turning forward. Left, right, half turn, left. So we rock back and recover forward. Left, Right shoulder come forward, left, right, left. The last step is on your left, and then we're going to reset on right, left. Okay? So that's part one, and then we're going to repeat again doing the travel step and then the shuffle. Okay? Now let's put part one together. 5, 6, 7, no. Let's go back to the shuffle to make sure you have that part, then we'll put it together, okay? Shuffle up on the left. 5, 6, 7, and left 1 and 2, right 3 and 4, up 5, back 6, 7 and 8, back 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, turn 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, left, okay? Now, let's put it together. The travel step and the shuffle up. 5, 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, back 7 and 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, her half tap 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle on right, left. Now, what we're going to do here is to repeat what we just did. Okay? The only thing you do at this back wall when you start to do the same thing you did at the front wall, we're going to cross over on the right and do that weave, travel step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Then we're going to the front wall, we shuffle it up on the left. The back wall is the opposite. We shuffle up on the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, back 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, half 5 and 6, left 7, 8. Okay? So for part one, it's just the opposite. Okay? Remember the first wall, the front wall, we cross over on the left. And we shuffle up on the left. The back wall, we cross over with the right. And we shuffle up on the right. Okay? So remember that for part one. You start on the left, cross over on the left. Your back wall, you're doing the same thing. But it's just the opposite. You cross over on the right. Okay? Now, let's move forward. So, when you come back to this wall, you're going to finish with a basic. Left, right, left, right, shuffle. Left, right, right. Then you do it again. Left, right, right, left, right. End of dance. Yes, heaven sent from Nola. Just that simple. So, look, my left heel is up. So let's put it together. Travel step, cross over on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, back 7 and 8. Back 1 and 2, 3, 4, half 5, then 6, shuffle 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, that was the right foot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, half 5, then 6, 7, 8. Cross left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 4 shuffles. 5, 6. Do it again. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross again. So throughout the whole song, there's no changes, no tags, no bridges, okay? So you just keep on doing it over and over again, all right? It is a one wall dance. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and check out the demo. Let's dance together. Thank you for leaving a comment. Thank you so much. Thank you for clicking on these videos each and every time. I appreciate you. And also, don't forget to share the video. Well, my name is Linda Sims. I am a Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.